Hey, this is me. And this kind but serious farmer is my grandpa. Now, what am I doing here? A day after graduation and realizing that the lessons that I had read were just piece of junk, I took my luggage and I put everything I needed and wanted in it, and I said goodbye to my room. I really miss here. I took the elevator, I came out of the building and town, and I'm so happy that I made that decision. And now I'm here in this farm, or let me say it true, in this heaven with pleasant weather to say my everyday story and share them to you. So, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. It really gives me energy and motivation. Yesterday, we finished building a part of the wall using blocks. So, our first step for today is evacuation new blocks that were sent by company. In my opinion, working in farm is kinda a sport, and of course, a high pressure exercise. For example, taking out these many blocks isn't made for anyone and is not possible by just someone's energy. It needs more than 2 or 3 people's energy. Cause I know you get bored by watching 40 minutes of unloading the blocks from the truck. We increase the speed a bit. I'm absolutely unlucky that I wasn't here for the time of harvesting a main and an important crop. Well, actually when I arrived here, they had harvested the wheat. Wheat products are divided into two categories, wheat seed and straw. There are special tractors for picking wheat that pick the wheat stalk from the bottom and pull it inside. And the next day another truck comes and press the straws like this. Each of these wheat bags weighs 50 kilos and are very difficult to move. But fortunately Ramin is here to help me move them. With Ramin's help, it didn't take long to sort the wheat, and with the setting of the sun and the cooling of the air, we started building the greenhouse wall again, and today ended like this.